On the last couple of Zoom updates, they've allowed you to do this really cool thing that I use all the time. It's called Keep on Top. I like to be able to see what's going on behind my Zoom screen. If you want to keep your Zoom screen on top of the other things that are going on behind the screen, you can just simply right-click on the top of your Zoom screen, right up on the bar, and you'll get a little menu here, and you can see right there, it says Keep on Top. So now, when I click on Keep on Top, my Zoom screen will stay on top no matter what I bring up behind it. And then I can also do you can see I can change, I can still scroll things behind. I can switch over to other screens, go over to my Instagram, scroll around, and you can see now that my Zoom screen stays on top while I'm doing all that other stuff. I find that really helpful. I know that there's some people that like to just go ahead and share their screen, but there are sometimes when I want to look at something without sharing the screen to do it, and this is a way that allows me to do that and to keep the call front and center so that I can still look at the person who's on screen while we're talking and answer any questions or things like that. So it's really easy. Just right-click on the top of the bar and make sure that Keep on Top is checked. Now, there is one thing that I will mention to you, and that is when I've noticed when I open up my chat screen that now all of a sudden the Keep on Top doesn't work anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here again. Once I open the chat screen, I have to recheck Keep on Top. So just in case you're wondering what happened to your Zoom screen once you open the chat, you have to go back and reactivate Keep on Top. Now let's see if that has to happen again. No, it looks like it's now going to stay on top no matter what. That is how you use the feature Keep on Top in your Zoom screen. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I appreciate your time.